Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone on behalf of Balwata M. Rashid High School. Dear student, today I shall discuss with you about transformation of sentence. Follow the pictures and texts. What do you see in the picture? We see some students and a teacher taking his class. Luna is present in the class. Luna isn't absent in the class. We see another picture. They are happy. They aren't unhappy. Can you guess what will be our today's lesson? Immediately I have said about the topic. Transformation of sentence. Our today's lesson is transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative, part 2. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, we will be able to transform sentence from affirmative to negative. Use opposite words in transformation. Examples of some opposite or antonymous words. Good, opposite word bad, friend, foe, moral, immoral, mortal, immortal, regular, irregular, active, inactive, wise, unwise, pleasant, unpleasant, honest, dishonest, honesty, dishonesty. Dear student, if you want to change affirmative to negative, you have to add not after auxiliary verb, and you have to change keyword. If you change the sentence affirmative to negative. Now see an example. Hassan is a good boy. It is an example of affirmative sentence. If we change this sentence into negative, you have to add or include not, abbreviation of not, and you have to change the keyword. The keyword good, the opposite word of good is bad. Dear student, another examples of some word opposite or antonymous words. Doubtful, undoubtful or sure, pleased, displeased, happy, unhappy, possible, impossible, literate, illiterate, responsible, irresponsible, hard, easy or soft, absent, present, real, unreal, always, never. Dear students, it is another rule. If you see, sometimes in affirmative sentence you have to change not, oblique not always. If you change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. My friend sometimes visits us. It is an example of affirmative sentence. We have to, if we change this sentence into negative, so my friend does not always visit us. Sometimes, instead of sometimes, we have to use not always. True. If we see true in affirmative sentence or structure, so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus can or could not plus verb. The baby is too weak to walk. The baby is so weak that it cannot walk. Affirmative, many. Negative, not a few. I have many friends here. It is an example of affirmative sentence. If we change this sentence into negative, you have to use not a few, not a few in lieu of many. I have not a few friends here. If you see a few in affirmative sentence, you have to change into not many. If you change the sentence into negative sentence, I have a few toys. I have not many toys. Thank you, everyone. I shall hope that you will stay safe and be careful. Allah Hafiz.